this is not happening.
What's going on? What's going on? I'm confused. What's going on? It's been 2 days since I got arrested by the police. And yet no one is telling me anything. Did you kill your father? Did you abort your baby?
I did not kill my father. And I did not abort my baby knowingly. Afunwa and his sister are behind everything.
I don't get.
You and I are being set up by them. And the police are backing them. The only police officer who opposed them and tried to help me was murdered by them few nights ago.
God have mercy. I don't understand. How could a group of people visit a young girl like you with so much evil? Is your family in some type of dispute with them?
It's a long story.
Listen, I need you to tell me. Please. I need you to tell me. I need to make sense out of everything.
Honor her and family. What is it? Did I hide anything from you people? You know the terms of the loan. I did not hide anything from you. Why are you bothering me?
No, we're not contesting anything. We have been finding it difficult to feed. Even once in a day in the past 2 months, without going to people to beg them for foodstuffs. Of recent, people no longer render us help as freely as they used to, for one reason or the other. We cannot continue with such miserable existence. That is why we're here, my brother. Just allow us one farming season on 2 or 3 of the farmlands I used as collateral to borrow money from you. If we fail to raise the money and repay you the entire 400,000 naira loan, after harvesting all we planted in the farmland at the end of the current season, don't listen to us ever again. Yes, the entire collateral forever.
Honor.
Yes.
If I'm right, are you saying you want to use money realized from farming on my farmland to pay me the loan you borrowed from me? Is that what you're saying?
Yes. Please.
No, it's not possible. You feel you're wise? No, it can't happen.
Nine. We still have 9 months to the agreed repayment time. We are only here begging you because if we should go to that land to farm, we won't be able to harvest it before that 9 months. That's why we are begging you. Pico 9.
Barrister Teresa, the Solicitor General of the Honor family. Yes, I heard you. But let me ask you, did you read the terms and agreement of that loan? It stated that neither you people nor I will do anything on that land till that loan is fully repaid. Didn't you read that clause?
We know, but we are begging.
Papa, please.
I'm not your father. Look at your father sitting by your side. Though, it will not be a bad idea if I could have you as my concubine for just 1 year.
Eh? Nice again.
Then I can forgive the entire loan.
God forbid.
Honor.
Egwo, please stop saying such an abominable thing. Nancy is even younger than your last child. Yes.
It's okay. If you people could deny me such simple request, then your own is denied too. There's nothing I can do about it. You can leave.
Where are you, God? God of the poor. She won't Where are you, God? Pains have really embraced us. Tears become our own food. Lost everything and no sign of hope. Hey, Kiju and Sadio, God of the poor. Where are you? God of the poor. God of the poor. Matanosa. Where are you, God? Where are you? God of the poor. Chimo. Where are you, God? Echem no the command, the cry of the poor. Smile today, cry tomorrow. God come. Wickedness of men have taken everything away from me. Chimo, Bia. God of the poor. Chimo, Where are you, God of the poor? God of the poor. God of the poor. Where are you, God? God of the poor. Where are you?
Fear and hopelessness are indeed worse than strong wine on the mind and body of a man. This is 3 weeks since Mazi Ogwon refused my family use of any of our farmlands. Not the intervention of the elders' council of Amachara in the Ndiobasi community. When I reported the matter to them could sway him, he wickedly stood his ground. My family has become so miserable that we can now count on our fingers the number of times we eat in a full week. This week is the worst week for us. So worse that we have been surviving on wild leaves and palm kernels that we pick in the forest. After 4 days of having no real food to eat, my wife and I can hardly stand and work straight. Henry and Nancy, my remaining children, could hardly stand on their feet for more than a few minutes because of hunger. I couldn't endure their tears anymore. God, help me. Touch the next person I will meet today to give me some food for my family, no matter how small. Help me, please. I don't want to lose any of my children again. God, I don't want to lose my wife. I don't want to die this miserable. Please, God.
God of the poor, where are you? God of the poor, God of the poor. Matanosa, Matanosa, where are you, God? Where are you? God of the poor, Chimo, Chimo, where are you, God? Echem no the command, the cry of the poor. Smile today, cry tomorrow. God come. Wickedness of men have taken everything away from me. Chimo, Chimo, Bia. God of the poor. Chimo,
Why don't you look where you're crossing? Eh? What is wrong with you?
Sorry.
Oh no, her.
Mabel.
You? You are the one crossing the road without looking? Come on, you're looking like a ghost. What happened to you?
When did you return from overseas, Mabel?
I came in 3 days ago, but I'm just arrived in the village though. So, what is going on? How is your family, your wife, children? How are they?
It's a long story.
A long story?
Yes.
Really? Oh, come on. Don't do this, Onoha. Don't cry. See, I'm here. Whatever it is, we can sit and talk. Right?
Right.
Hey, Afunwa, please help him to the car. Okay. Yeah, come.
God of the poor, she won't where are you, God? Pains have really embraced us. Tears become our own food. Lost everything and no sign of hope. Hey, oh, Kiju and Sadio, God of the poor.
God has remembered us. Our miracle has happened. Come.
Who owns all this? Nine.
You can see.
You must be joking. Just tell me you're joking.
I am not a comedian. It is for real. I'm not joking. Easy, easy. Oh, yeah. Yes. Easy.
Don't worry. Bring it easy.
Thank God. God has answered. Sorry, my dear. Take. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
Nine.
Eh?
How did you get all this?
Please, when we get... Thank you. When we get inside, you can ask any question you want. Just, let's take it inside.
How did you get this thing?
Let's go inside. You are asking too much questions. Oh, she's already here. Who? She's already here, she promised. The very hand God used to bless us today.
Mabel?
Hello, Teresa.
Kim, how dare you?
No, Teresa. I know where you're going. It's not what you're thinking. Come on, don't even go there. It's been ages. In fact, I accidentally ran into him on my way returning to the village a few hours ago. So, my mission here is to tell you that I've forgiven whatever that happened over the years. Yes. I mean, how can anyone expect him to disobey the instruction of his dying parents? It's not possible, you know. So, please, forget about it. I have forgiven. Honestly. Are they your children? Ah, pretty and handsome.
Mama, who is she?
She's your father's youthful friend. In fact, she's our friend. We all grew up together. Nem, can we go inside?
Oh.
The agreement I signed to borrow money from Ebuon. How did you do it? How did you get it?
I've already repaid the loan. You don't need to bother. So start cultivating your land anytime you're convenient. You can pay me back my money.
Thank you very much, ma. Thank you.
Oh, come on. Not to mention.
Thank you.
Oh, come on. Stop.
Thank you, ma.
You're welcome.
Let's carry this thing.
Yes.
Oh, babe.
Babe, come now. Babe, what is it?
I want to sleep, please. I'm not in the mood.
Babe, listen, come close. Just come close to me.
Babe, please. I said I'm tired.
Babe, you've been saying this for the past 2 weeks. Come on now. I'm horny. I'm sorry to disturb you, but I'm horny. Okay, I promise to go gentle this time, okay?
Oh, babe, please stop. Honey, come on. You're not disturbing me, okay? I'm your wife. I'm just not in the mood. I think I'm pregnant.
Pregnant? And you didn't tell me? You didn't tell me I'm about to be a father?
Babe, I have not confirmed if I'm pregnant yet, but I think that's the reason I feel weak and tired all this time, okay? But don't worry. Tomorrow I'll go and see our doctor, okay? And if he confirms I am pregnant, then I'll seek for his advice on how safe it is to have sexual intercourse or not, okay? Just give me time. And we need to sleep.
It's okay. I mean, if the doctor advises against it, I'll just wait until you're ready.
Thank you, baby. It's just the best. Try and sleep.
Yeah, I was going to say your safety and the child's safety first.
You know what? You're the best husband, and I love you.
I love you too. Good night.
Good night.
A green snake in a green grass. That's who she is. That's who she is. She pretends a lot, lies a lot, so full of deceit. Claims to be so nice, but in the inside, she's the devil you see. She lives a fake life. All her smiles could lead to an early grave. Never trust her.
What is holding Nelly back
She's
tonight?
so impossible.
Could it be that she forgot to put the sleeping tablet in Raymond's bedtime tea? Or the tablet is not working? How could she make me take a sex steroid tonight and she's wasting all this time before coming? Nelly, are you planning to kill me? My thing go bust too. Ha!
So dangerous. That's who she is. A green snake in a green grass. That's who she is. That's who she is. A green snake in a green grass. That's who she is. That's who she is. A green snake in a green grass. That's who she is. That's who she is. She pretends a lot, lies a lot, so full of deceit. Claims to be so nice, but in the inside, she's the devil you see. She lives a fake life. All her smiles could lead to an early grave. Never trust her. She is so impossible. A green snake in a green grass. So dangerous. That's who she is. So dangerous. That's who she is. That's who she is.
Babe.
In a green grass. That's who she
Are you in the bathroom?
That's who she is. She pretends a lot,
Babe.
lies a lot, so full of deceit. Claims to be so nice, but in the inside, She's the devil you see. She lives a fake life. All her smiles could lead to an early grave. Never trust her. She is so impossible. A green snake.
Enough for the night. Remember you said the sleeping tablet has finished and you forgot to restock. That means we don't have the luxury of the protection it guarantees us every night. Your husband might be awake and I've been looking for you.
Forget about the mogul. Let's talk about ourselves. Are you sure you've had enough of me for tonight?
Baby, 3 hot ones are more than enough.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
Are you sure?
We have all day to ourselves when he leaves for the office. Remember?
Okay.
Spend more night with him.
Good morning, sir.
Honey. Honey, how long have you been here?
I just got here. And you left me in the room. You didn't wake me up to accompany you as usual.
Sorry, sir. I had a terrible nightmare about my master in Libya. They were trying to harvest my kidneys when I woke up. According to Nelly, I was screaming so loud in my sleep.
Yes, honey. He screamed so loud that I couldn't wait to wake you from sleep, so I raced down to his room. And ever since then, I've been trying to calm him down. And honey, you know he's the only family I have. I am sorry, next time I'll wake you up.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay. I mean, he's my in-law. He's like a brother to me. So that's fine.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your understanding.
Oh no, that's okay. That's okay. You see, a dream is like a mirror into the dreamer's mind. You have to work on your mindset so that you can realize you're no longer in Libya. Trust me, all the nightmares will go away. Okay?
All right, sir.
Yes, yes.
I'll try, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Nelly, please go back with your husband. I'll be fine.
Are you sure you're okay?
Yes, my sister. I'll be fine.
He'll be okay.
Yes, honey. Sure, he really scared me.
No, he's okay.
I'm fine.
You'll be okay?
Yes, I'll be fine, my sister. Thank you.
Yes.
In a green grass, that's who she is.
Now, to the question you people have asked several times before we arrived here, with regard to what we are celebrating. Well, my effort to put you and your family's smile back has finally paid off.
That's a good news.
Honora, Teresa, a top university in Malaysia has agreed to admit your son Henry. Hey!
That's a good news. My son Henry will be admitted to a foreign university. And you call that giving us our smile back? It's more than that. Come on.
Not to mention, well, if he is admitted into the university, he will be schooling on the scholarship comprehensive scheme founded by an African women club, which I am their chairperson. So I made all that possible. I will also make sure that he will get a part-time job that he will be doing to earn little money to foot his bills and send some little change for you people.
Go on.
Nancy. Yes, ma'am. I'll see to your JAMB examination. And once you pass us to university, I'll foot your bill.
Hey, you will pass. I will pass. I will pass, ma'am. I will pass. I'll pass my exams.
A woman with a golden heart. Thank you very much.
As soon as Henry's admission letter arrives in Nigeria, I will use it to process his visa and make sure that he traveled to Malaysia with me hand in hand.
Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations. Cheers.
Thank you.
Yes.
Cheers.
When you want to do cheers, you use one hand. Come on, let me teach you. And you do cheers, you see.
Cheers.
Hey, God.
Mine is a case.
Madam Mabel.
Yes?
I am still waiting for you to tell me what to do with Nancy and Raymond, who are still in our police custody.
Who is Raymond?
Raymond is the guy that is being detained with Miss Nancy at your instance. She said she had him refer to himself as Raymond during 2 nightmares he had 4 days ago. So she started calling him Raymond. And I think his memory is being triggered gradually.
She lied to you, DPO.
What?
She lied to you. There was no such nightmares or memory recovery. They are playing on your intelligence with such talk. We told you that they are both secret lovers. And
Afunwa, shut up. Shut your mouth up. DPO.
Madam.
I called you to end our deal regard to the suspects. Release them and let them go as soon as you get to your station.
What? I don't understand what...
Let them go.
Okay. What of the video you made of...
DPO, I am done with you.
what of the thing we're talking about?
Afunwa, should I remind you that this is my show? It's me. It's me, Ono, I used and dumped 27 years ago, and I am back for my pound of flesh. That includes to eliminate the idiot and his whole family. Need I tell you that I am not happy with you for introducing such stressful twists that I am dealing with now in this whole scenario that you caused for me? Do you think that I am happy with the careless manner on which you mothered Onwa?
I'm sorry.
Get out. Get out. My friend, will you stop this and get out? Drop that thing.
Then you are hitmen you sent to abduct Nancy and the stranger and take them outside and do Obase, where we will meet and kill them, are dead. Yes, they were shot by unknown persons according to the DPO and his boys. And as we speak, nobody knows the whereabouts of Nancy and the stranger?
No. Who killed Ebelu? Who killed Ebelu?
I don't know. The DPO and his boys are in panic. He said he'll be coming over to...
Oh, no, not again. Ebelu's colleague Adanta that I sent to Enugu since yesterday is nowhere to be found till now. You know Mr. Femi?
Yes.
The one that recorded the whatever CCTV on me handing a cocaine suitcase to Henry at the International Airport Lagos Passage. I sent Adanta to go and pick him since yesterday. Have you forgotten Mr. Femi?
No, the one you said called you to say that he dubbed the CCTV recording into a video disc before erasing it from the system.
Yes.
And the same man who started using it to blackmail you for cash a few days ago.
Yes.
So what about him? Is he demanding for more money?
I have paid him the one he said, but he is still insisting that I should pay him again now in cash. And I should come in person.
Why?
I don't know. Afoma, I don't know. He called me yesterday that he boarded a flight from Lagos to Enugu. So I sent Adanta to go and pick him up.
Yes.
The idea was for Adanta to waste the fool once he collects the recording from him. Since Adanta called me yesterday that he has picked him from Enugu Airport, I've not heard from either Adanta or Mr. Femi, and their phones are switched off. So I don't know what is going on. I don't.
This does not sound good at all. What is actually happening?
I don't know. I don't.
So what are we going to do now?
Like you rightfully said, it doesn't sound good. I think it is time for us to activate our plan B.
Plan B? The idea of running away to Brazil?
What else? Afuma, your visa and mine, everything are ready. All we need to do now is to do our packing so that we can leave this place in an hour's time.
Young lady, I don't know who you are and what you are up to, but I must tell you this. If anything should happen to me, the venom of the entire police force will come up against you.
Don't worry about me. Worry about yourself and your partners in crime.
Meaning what is that?
You will soon find out. Oh, the person that will tell you is here. Sit down!
Hello, sir. Flesh and blood. Oh, you're wondering how I came back from the land of the dead? You want to ask? Did I really die?
I don't understand.
Now listen to me. Truth and justice have a way of disgracing people like you who oppose them. DPO.
After what you did earlier that day in our interrogation room, I detailed a detective under me to watch over you. He saw you taking poison from Madame Mabel in a supermarket, and he heard her instructions to you. We quickly went into action and replaced the poison with a harmless substance. Yes. Obviously, you took a lot of things for granted and you didn't bother to ask why my body was removed to the mortuary before the police was informed by my family, as was standard procedure. On orders from above, I launched a massive investigation with detectives from State Police Headquarters on orders of the CP. 2 days ago, the report of my team led to the release of Mr. Henry Onoha in Malaysia. After we provided video evidence to the Malaysia ambassador to Nigeria, which comprehensively proved his innocence, we equally took some actions that saved the lives of his sister and the stranger you people set up and detained with her.
You're joking.
I am not. As a matter of fact, Mr. Henry Onoha is back to Nigeria and he's waiting to reunite with his sister. By the way, the officer you see right there was sent here by the Commissioner of Police himself to arrest you and your partners in crime. It's too late, DPO. Aha! By the way, detective.
Sir?
Where is Miss Nancy and the injured stranger?
Sir? My colleague is coming with them. Oh, here they are, sir.
Oh, take it easy. Okay, hey, take it easy.
Enter!
Enter, sir.
Enter!
Go down. Down!
Sit down, sir. With all due respect, sit down, sir. Harry! Harry! Harry!
Good to see you again.
My brother! My brother! My brother! My brother! My brother!
Yes, it's me. Flesh and blood.
What?
Courtesy of the airport recording you paid Mr. Femi to destroy. I and my sister, we are here to witness your arrest. And that's murderous baboons of yours.
Officers!
Harry, why calling in the police? You know we can...
Holy Moses!
Both of you are under arrest.
Inspector Mark!
Move.
Madam, move.
Move it!
Hey! See, eh?
Move it. Move.
Move!
Why calling in the police?
See, Madam, move.
Please, officer, please. Take it. Move it.
Graves of your parents and brother. I am honestly short of words. I don't know what to say. But I understand how you feel. And I want you to know that I share this pain with you. The members of this family sacrificed a lot for me to stay alive. And despite my persistent memory dilemma, I still feel very indebted and emotionally attached to this family to call it my own. I want both of you to know that I share this pain with you. And by the grace of God, you will share in my joy if and when my story gets to its happy ending.
Yes. Yes, it will surely get to its happy ending. God does not leave his work halfway.
I give you the assurance of my unbreakable solidarity that I'll always be around for you and your brother. I may not know who I am, but I know what I am to you and your brother. I promise to be a brother, a friend, and your family. Please, let's go inside.
Henry, you scared me. Oh.
I'm sorry about that. You are falling in love with him, right?
That's not...
You can't deny it. Perhaps this is the 8th time I caught you staring at him. And I may be your younger brother, but I'm old enough to understand what love is all about. I'm old enough to know when a woman is having some feelings for a man. Those stares of yours are not ordinary, Nancy.
Henry, Afunwa was a beast to me. Every minute I spent with him was a nightmare. But you see, this man, he's different despite his situation. I felt strongly drawn to him. In less than 2 days, I set my eyes on him. At first it was pity and compassion. But right about now, I must confess, my feelings have grown. And in all honesty, it scares me.
Scares you?
Yes, it does. It is complicated. I fear that my feelings could complicate things for someone like him. He doesn't need a woman's emotional entanglement now, not from someone like me. And even if it does, I don't know how it could end.
You see, it's complicated indeed, but you see, romantic emotions is something very difficult to direct and control. But if you can, kill it for the same reason that scares you. But if you can't, then keep it reasonable. Nurture it till it becomes something significant between you both. Alright? need someone to talk to, Kid Boy is always here for you. I got you always, alright? Alright. I have been discussing about you with my sister a few days back.
Discussing about me? Wait, are you tired of me already? You want me out of your house?
No, sir, not at all. You are family now. Besides, I have endured too many inconveniences and losses for your sake, and I stand ready to endure even more.
Same here, sir. You know, I personally see you as my late brother, returned in another scheme. You're going nowhere. We are going to stand by you to the very last.
Thank you, Henry. Thank you for those reassuring words. Thank you, Nancy. Thank you for your kindness. Thank you for everything you have done. Most especially for saving my life. Now, do you mind telling me what you were discussing about me?
Okay. Let us all please take a photograph of you and upload online, or even make a broadcast about you in the conventional media so that
my family can become aware of where I am?
Yes.
Yes.
Nancy, what if my entire family or a member of my family is actually responsible for the ordeal that led to my memory loss and finally ending up in your village? What if it was an enemy, a friend, a neighbor, a politician, even a business partner? It could be anyone. If that were the case, what guarantee do I have that the person who actually wants me dead will not silence me before the people who want me alive get to me? I'm sure you haven't taken that into consideration, have you?
No, we haven't, sir.
Now that's my reason. Nancy, I survived by the grace of God and the sacrifices your family made for me. What is remaining now is for me to regain my full memory and return home safely. I don't need any medical assistance to do that. The doctor actually confirmed that. Nancy, should anything happen to me, then you lost your baby, and all that sacrifice you made for me will be in vain. I'm ready to endure to the end to ensure that never happens.
We now understand your perspective better now, sir. I and my sister, we give you our way. We'll support you till you fully recover.
Thank you, Henry.
And we will also be praying for you.
Thank you, Nancy. I appreciate everything.
Sorry.
No. It's okay. I love you.
I found my angel who has come to rescue me. She is an angel sent for my restoration. She's an angel. I will make her my wife and mine forever. She's an angel. My beauty, my world, I will love you forever. Oh.
What is it?
I'm sorry.
Sir, what is it? What is it? What is it, sir? What is it? What happened? What is it, sir? What is it? What is it?
Nelly.
Eh?
Nelly.
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 Who's
Aloy. 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 Aloy.
Who are Nelly and Aloy, sir?
They are the devils. They are responsible for my ordeal.
You can remember your past now.
Yes. You can remember who you are?
Nelly, you are so wicked. Nelly. 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 Nelly.
Sorry.
Who are you? Who are you people?
Hello. Police officers. The long hand of the law is here for both of you.
Officer, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't. What are you talking about, officer?
He's talking about you, devil.
Who? Stand here. Raymond.
You're shocked to see me. Both of you are shocked to see me. You are shocked to see me. Nelly, I'm so sorry. Dunga and his cohorts could not bury me alive just as you instructed them to.
What? Me?
I regained consciousness and ran away whilst they were digging the grave. I'm very, very sure when they realized I had escaped, they came back to lie to you, telling you they had killed me just to get their balance from you, then jet off to South Africa, where the police are told they live now. Nelly, Nemesis just caught up with you. Officer, arrest these bastards before I take laws into my hands.
Hey, baby. Hey!
It's
not that serious.
I gave her and she betrayed my trust. Though I'm with someone, and yet I am lonely.
I said move.
What have I done?
I promise it will happen again.
To deserve this?
Move. Who's the loser?
Is it a crime to fall in love and maintain the law? Is it a crime?
Madam, drag this bitch out of my house.
How much you love
Drag her out of my house.
Is it a crime? Is it a crime? Someone please tell me. I gave her my heart, but she chose to break it. I gave her all my trust, and she betrayed my trust. Though I'm with someone, and yet I am lonely. What have I done wrong to deserve this? Is it a crime to fall in love and maintain the law? Is it a crime to show someone how much you love her? Is it a crime? Is it a crime? Someone please tell me. Come to rescue me. She is an angel sent for my restoration. She's an angel. Make her my wife and mine forever. She's an angel. My beauty, my world, I will love you forever.
So Henry, this is your room.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome. Just tell me if you need anything, okay?
Oh, thank you.
All right.
Sorry, sir. You said this is my room?
Yes, your room. You don't like it?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
How about my sister?
Oh, there's a room for her.
Okay.
All right. Just let me know if you need anything, okay?
All right. Thank you, sir.
All right.
She's an angel.
My beauty, my world, I'll love you forever. I will love you. Come to rescue me. She is an angel sent for my restoration. She's an angel. Make her my wife and mine forever.
She's an angel.
Thank you. Come in. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Go get some drinks. Get some drinks. Quickly. Are you comfortable there? You wanna...
Of course. You know I need to ensure the safety of this.
Thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you very much. Come here.
And now I'm with my reality.
Ladies and gentlemen,
My pains are
the
healed.
love of my life,
Since she came to me,
my wife.
she came to me to soothe my wounds. She's an angel. Make her my wife. Come to rescue me. She is an angel sent for my restoration.
She's an angel.
Make her my wife and mine forever.
She's an angel.
Beauty, my world, I will love you forever. My bitter past has gone away, and now I'm with my reality. My pains are healed since she came to me. She came to me to soothe my wounds.
She's an angel.
I'll make her my wife and mine forever.
She's an angel.
My beauty,